You will find a filament at the bottom of the table in your Zaxe Z3S 3D printer. Remove the filament from the box with the help of the side cutter included in the toolbox. Attach the filament holder from the toolbox to your printer, then insert the filament you took out of the box onto the filament holder with the NFC side facing backwards. Cut the curled part of the filament at a 45-degree angle with the side chisel from the toolbox and keep pushing the filament in until you see the filament at the end of the filament tube. From the touchscreen, click on Settings, then on Filament Settings. Click Load Filament. The extruder will start to heat up. After the heating is complete, insert the filament into the extruder. Keep pushing the filament in until you feel the gears gently pulling the filament in. Make sure that the filament flows out of the nozzle tip in the correct color. Filament loading is complete.